I sound like Kermit in this video because I've been sick for 3 days and it is not coming along. So please ignore the way I sound, enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I bring you 5 more free outro templates that you can use for your videos. 3 of them are Premiere Pro templates which are animated and 2 of them are still Photoshop templates. All of them are extremely easy to modify. So let's have a quick preview, then I'll show you how to edit them. The first thing you have to do is expand the description below and download your favorite template. The download file will be in zip, so you will need 7-zip or WinZip to extract the files. Each zip will contain a readme file, which is very important that you read it. It contains free license information and how you can credit me properly. Each template is edited differently. I'll put timestamps on your screen right now so you can skip directly to the specific template tutorial. Alright, so let's edit the first template. The first template folder will only contain a template file and a readme file, which again is very important to read. Double click on the template file to open it in Premiere. You'll see 2 layers already in place on your timeline and 3 of them in your project panel. You don't need to change anything other than the background image, unless you know what you're doing. Right click on the background image layer and select Replace Footage. Locate and select your image. That's all you have to do for this template. To export it, go to File, Export and then Media. Select H.264 format and high bitrate in preset. Click Export to save your template. In template number 2's folder, there will be an additional font that you will have to install. Simply double click on it and click Install. Then open up your template. Since the background in your template number 2 is transparent, we don't need to change it. For this one, you just have to edit the channel name and export it with a transparent background. To do so, double click on the first layer you see that says your channel name in the project panel. This will open up a new text window. Select the text and change it to your channel name. Then close the window. Go to File, Export, Media. Select QuickTime from the Format drop-down menu and GoPro 12 with Alpha from the Preset menu. This will export it without the background, so you can put anything below it and your outro will be played on top of it. Move the quality slider all the way to 5 and then click Export to export it. This template will work best for gamers, which is why I went for a more aggressive tone. The template folder will contain a font file, an image file and a Firespark clip. First install the font, then open up the template in Premiere. To change the background, right click on the background image layer, select Replace Footage, locate and select your image. Color grading is done on top of your background image, so if you replace your image, all tones and colors will stay the same. If you don't like it for some reason, simply unlock the layers with the red colors and disable them. If you want to change the colors, click on the layer that says Change Colors here. Go to Effects Control Panel. If you don't have it, simply enable it in the Windows menu. Scroll down and here you'll see shadows and highlights. Drag each one around and see which one fits best for you. Once it's time to export, go to File, Export, Media. Select H.264 in format and high bitrate in the preset drop-down menu. Then click Export to export it. Wait, I haven't made a joke in this whole video. Okay, now let me think of something. Okay. What did the cell say to his sister when she stepped on his foot? Mitosis. Get it? It's mitosis. No? Not even a chuckle? Okay, let's move on. Template number 4 and 5 are Photoshop templates. In the folder you will find a font file and a template file. Install the font first, then open up the template. After opening, you will see some text which you should definitely read. And after reading, simply hit delete on your keyboard to get rid of it. Here in the layers panel, the red layers must not be edited unless you know what you are doing. The blue layers should be edited and the green layers are optional and is up to you if you want to edit them. To change the name, double click on the channel name layer thumbnail and then type in your channel name. If the text is not in center, select the channel name layer, hold down Ctrl and select the background layer. Make sure selection tool is selected, then click on a line horizontal icon on top. To change the background image, right click on the background image layer and select replace contents. Locate and select your image. If the image size is not correct, hit Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold down Shift and Alt, click and drag from a corner point to increase or decrease the image size. Hit enter when you're done. To change the colors of the background, double click on the change colors layer, click on the gradient, select your color combination and then hit OK. To change the text stroke colors, double click on the stroke, then change your color for each layer. To save it, hit Ctrl Alt S on your keyboard, select JPEG from the drop-down menu and then hit Save. This template folder will only have a template file. The text is very important to read, so you should read it and then delete it. Again, blue layers should be edited, green layers are optional, and red layers must not be edited unless you know what you're doing. Right click on your logo layer and select Replace Contents. Locate to your logo and select it. Double click on a thumbnail of Change Colors layer. This will open up a new window where you can change your color to whatever you like. Save it by hitting Ctrl Alt S, select JPEG from the drop-down menu and then clicking Save. It takes a lot of time to design, animate, and make it possible for everyone to edit. All of these templates are free to use, download, and modify, as long as you credit me properly. You can credit me by copying and pasting the text that's in the description as well as in the README file into your video description. This will help me create more design for you guys and help you make your channel look better. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Grabster TV so you don't miss on the daily memes and other nerd stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.